Welcome back. Today we have our Ipsy bag. Obviously I haven't already opened it because I'm struggling a little to get into it. Again, please pardon my appearance. I've been running at the gym. So, already this is not my favorite bag that we've ever gotten. Sometimes Ipsy sends a bag and I just love it and I'm just crazy about it. This kind of makes me think of aluminum foil. So, not really what I was hoping for. I mean, I know they're going for a Christmassy vibe and it's got the green stitching and that's really, really pretty. But the silver, I don't love. So, I have no idea. It's been killing me not doing my sneak peek because before starting this channel, I checked my sneak peek every single month. So, that being said, let's get into the bag. We are going to ignore this, but apparently the theme for this month is Shine On, Sparkle, Shimmer, and Shine. This month, let's clink glasses to a year full of diving in, bearing awe, and finding your light. It's time to celebrate how far you've come. And that really appeals to me because I have been on a self-improvement journey recently. Alright, so the first thing we have is a Tarte High Performance Naturals Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush. That is little. Although with Ipsy, Tarte samples tend to be pretty small. Let's see, it is in the color Kisses. And it should not surprise me that there's no mirror because it's so little. But that's not a bad color. I do like Tarte blushes, so we'll see. It's not bad. I don't know if this light's a little too bright. Can't really get it to that perfect spot, but it's pretty. It's a very light color, which is what I prefer when it comes to a blush. Because I'm not the darkest person in the world. I think I mentioned it before. I love getting Luxie brushes. I really, really just enjoy this brand. I had never heard of it before I started getting Ipsy, but it's just a brand I really, really enjoy. I love their brushes. I love their brushes. So I'm always happy to see a Luxie brush in my BoxyCharm or in my Ipsy. Next up we have Avon True Color Glimmer Sticks Eyeliner. In a color. Don't know what color it is, but it's a color. Avon. Kind of surprised to find Avon in Ipsy, but okay. Tend to think of Ipsy and BoxyCharm where you try brands that you know you could go to the store and get. Avon, you need an Avon representative. I'm not going to get into the whole MLM thing, but not something I expected. It's in the color Sepia. Sepia? Oh, and it's a twisty one. I like twisty ones. Okay. I don't know how much that would transfer as you wear it, but it's a pretty color. It's a very pretty color. I'll definitely give it a try. Then up next we have the Thrive Cosmetics Orchid Stem Cell Complex Liquid Last Extensions Mascara. Beauty with a Purpose. I have heard about this. I've never gotten a sample from it. I do know that a month or two ago there was one of the subscription boxes that had a bunch of these in it. I think it was full size though. But I'm always happy with a sample size mascara because mascara is one of those things that lasts so long. A mini one's really not something that you're going to run out of anytime soon. So I'm never mad to get mascara. It's one of those items that you can never really, in my opinion, have too much of. And then last but not least, we have Hanhu Watermelon Illuminator Daytime Facial Oil. Daytime Facial Oil. It looks very watermelon-y, and it's even got a watermelon on the front of it, but it doesn't really smell like anything. But I'm not mad at anything I got. So it's a pretty good Ipsy bag. The Thrive Cosmetics in Bryn. You know, they've started doing the cards more like BoxyCharm, but there's still no prices on it. The Luxie is the Dream Catcher, the blending Dream Catcher. The Hanhu is supposed to be super hydrating. And it's supposed to not be greasy. And this is supposed to be very, very glittery to make you trade it out for your black eyeliner. And it's supposed to go on like butter and stay in place for up to 10 hours. I work 8-hour work days. I did recently work some 10-hour work days. So this will be put to the test. I will definitely give it a chance. That being said, I know that this is a very short video because the Ipsy just didn't take that long to unbag. But as always, I love to hear your opinions. If you think this was a good bag, if you agree or disagree with me about that, I always just love to hear your opinions. So let me know what you think down below in the comments. Please let me know if you'd like to maybe change things up a bit. I do know that I see people that open their boxes and their bags and they try everything on. If that's something y'all would be interested in seeing from me, we all know I'm not the best with makeup, but it would save me from having to do an extra video where I'm just reviewing and updating y'all on what I thought about my BoxyCharm and Ipsy. So let me know down below all your thoughts and feelings about this bag, about what you want to see in the future. As always, like, comment, share, subscribe. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video.